All right.
Come with little Hudson.
Yeah. Oh, I guess I should be showing the prize picture.
There you go.
There you go.
Here's the guest of honor.
He's so worried
himself.
about that. Here's my thing. See, he just came in.
Oh, cool. Very cool. All right.
I'm getting your rocker.
Yeah, you're right.
And so put him in the bassinet.
Sure, yeah. I was gonna wait till, or should I was gonna wait till he wakes up to feed him. You think that's good? Or do you think I should feed him?
You want to lay down?
I might, yeah.
Okay.
It's so good. My goodness.
Try to find a light in here, honey, and put, never mind. Oh, that's good. That'll be better.
That probably actually made him feel good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I know, Cookie.
Here you go, Bubba. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Let's get that off. You done put yourself into the thing. There you go. Okay. All right.
Oh, there he
you
is. He
go.
says, "This is Daddy."
Yeah. Oh
Yeah.
my God, look how small he is of you.
Big, strong protector.
That's
yes,
right.
Oh,
That's right.
there you
sir.
go.
Everything's going to be right with the
Don't
world.
take my daddy. Don't take my daddy. Goodness. I know, they're so mean. They're so mean there, aren't they?
You got it, Suzanne.
Yes, sir.
She's got it down.
Not quite like they do, but
No, you're doing really, you'll get better at it too. And there he is, Hudson the loaf of bread. Okay, good night, everyone.
Oh, you have one of those